Looking for the best food chopper for vegetables that every home chef needs? You're in the right place. I've researched and tested the best food chopper for vegetables to help you cook smarter, faster, and easier. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to GadgetNest for more smart kitchen finds and honest reviews. And don't forget to check the description below for updated prices and exclusive deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Quizinart Food Processor 14-Cup Vegetable Chopper. The Quizinart Food Processor 14-Cup Vegetable Chopper makes cooking prep effortless. With its spacious bowl, you can mince, dice, shred, and puree in large batches without stopping. The stainless steel construction is both durable and stylish, perfect for modern kitchens. This versatile machine can even knead dough, making it ideal for home bakers. The precision blades ensure uniform cuts every time. Whether you're chopping veggies for a salad or making sauce from scratch, this processor handles it all smoothly. Cleanup is easy thanks to its dishwasher-safe parts. If you want a dependable tool that saves time and energy in the kitchen, this is a smart pick. Perfect for family meals or entertaining guests, it's built to last and perform with ease. A reliable choice for any home chef seeking efficiency and consistency. Number 2. Bodabay Commercial Vegetable Fruit Chopper. The Bodabay Commercial Vegetable Fruit Chopper is a powerhouse for precision chopping. Built from stainless steel, it's tough enough for both home and professional kitchens. The 6-wedge slicer and 3-blade options, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch, offer excellent versatility. From tomatoes to potatoes and mushrooms, this chopper handles it all. It's perfect for making French fries, chopping onions, or prepping ingredients for stir-fry. Despite its commercial-grade design, it's surprisingly easy to use. You get consistent results without the hassle of manual slicing. Its sturdy construction ensures longevity, even under daily use. Plus, the removable components make cleanup a breeze. This tool greatly enhances kitchen productivity while keeping preparation time to a minimum. A must-have for anyone who wants precise, fast cuts without sacrificing quality or effort. Number 3. Teroi 4-in-1 Electric Vegetable Chopper. The Teroi 4-in-1 Electric Vegetable Chopper is your all-in-one solution for faster food prep. With a 200-watt motor, it powers through slicing, dicing, shredding, and striping vegetables effortlessly. Whether you're cooking for family or prepping for commercial use, this compact tool delivers consistent results. Its sleek design saves counter space and makes storage simple. The sharp blades handle everything from carrots to cucumbers with ease. This chopper is perfect for anyone tired of slow manual prep. It's easy to use, clean, and assemble, making it a time-saving asset in any kitchen. No more juggling separate tools for different cuts. This machine does it all. Say goodbye to uneven slices and hello to uniform perfection. For anyone seeking speed and convenience in daily cooking, the Teroi chopper is a game-changer. Number 4. Maxim Vegetable Chopper, Dynamic Food Processor. The Maxim Vegetable Chopper brings power and precision to everyday cooking. Designed with durable stainless steel shredders and a spacious 5-quart mixing bowl, it's built to handle a variety of kitchen tasks. Whether you're chopping, slicing, or mixing, this tool ensures consistent performance. Ideal for home cooks who need efficiency, it significantly cuts down on prep time. The mixing bowl is perfect for tossing ingredients together without making a mess. Despite its dynamic function, the chopper remains compact and easy to store. From vegetables to cheeses and more, it handles everything quickly. Easy to clean and maintain, this food processor keeps your kitchen neat while boosting productivity. If you're looking for a reliable, multi-purpose tool for busy cooking sessions, the Maxim chopper is a smart, space-saving choice. Number 5. Quizinart Food Processor, 14-cup light gray stainless steel. Upgrade your kitchen with the Quizinart Food Processor 14-cup in light gray stainless steel. This versatile appliance tackles mincing, dicing, shredding, and kneading with precision. Its generous capacity makes it perfect for large meals or batch cooking. The durable stainless steel body ensures long-term use, while the stylish light gray finish complements any kitchen. It's user-friendly, with intuitive controls and dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. Whether you're blending a puree or preparing dough, this processor offers dependable performance every time. Its powerful motor and sharp blades deliver consistent results, making prep work effortless. You'll appreciate how quickly it chops veggies or kneads dough without manual effort. For busy home cooks looking for convenience, this food processor offers a professional experience with everyday ease. Number 6. Pow Lab Commercial Vegetable Chopper and French Fry Cutter. The Pow Lab Commercial Vegetable Chopper is perfect for both home cooks and restaurant kitchens. Made from stainless steel, it comes with 3 blade sizes, 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/4 inch, to suit a range of slicing needs. Whether you're making fries, chopping onions, or slicing fruit, this tool delivers fast, uniform results. Its durable build ensures it can withstand heavy use while maintaining efficiency. The ergonomic design makes it easy to use, and the removable parts simplify cleanup. No more uneven slices or wasted time. This chopper brings speed and precision together. Ideal for prepping ingredients in bulk, it handles high-volume tasks without breaking a sweat. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen's efficiency with commercial-grade performance, this tool is a fantastic investment. Number 7. Geneza Food Processors, Electric Food Chopper with Meat Grinder. The Geneza Food Processor is a powerhouse with dual functionality, perfect for chopping vegetables and grinding meat. Featuring a robust 450-watt copper motor, it provides smooth and efficient operation. The 2 8-cup bowls allow you to work with large or small batches separately. It comes equipped with 2 sets of bi-level blades, ideal for everything from fruits and vegetables to nuts and meats. Designed for busy kitchens, it saves time and effort during meal prep. The sleek black exterior looks stylish on any countertop. Plus, it's easy to disassemble and clean, making it ideal for daily use. Whether you're grinding meat for burgers or chopping veggies for stew, this processor handles it all. A smart addition for anyone wanting power, versatility, and ease in one compact appliance. Thanks for watching today's top picks from GadgetNest. If you enjoy discovering cool kitchen gadgets that make your life easier, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. All product links and latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss them. Got a question or want to see a specific gadget reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.